Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Shopify Metafields tutorial for beginners. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we first need to know what are Metafields. So I have searching here for Shopify Metafields, and in here they have an article from Shopify Help Center. So when you click on it, you should be able to see that actually Metafields help you customize everything, and it can help you customize functionality, appearance, and it's lets you save such specialized information. This includes part numbers, color swatches, launch dates, rated products, blog posts, password download, and list of ingredients, and all of that right here. So you can just look for all of the Metafields right here that isn't usually appearing to your store, but once someone search in it on the Google, they should be able to see it. So what I'm pertaining to is something that can help you make your Shopify more visible on the search bar, and this will actually entice buyers in order to buy from your store. So let's head back in here on our Shopify, and then in here we can see our products. So the main products in here is tracked, and for example, you want to edit something, so just head on over and click on a specific product that you have, and on this product you should be able to see some options like specifications and size chart and all of these things right here, as well as the media, variants. And when you scroll down, you should be able to see the search engine listing. So this is what it looks like. You have here the name, and in here you can see in here the actual product or the actual description for this product. So this is what we call the meta field. So in here, you can edit it out in order to make sure that it looks good. So it totally depends on what you want to put in here. You can also change URL handle if you want. So in here under that is the meta field. So click on view all right here. And when you click on the view all, the first thing you need to see is this Google custom product, which is actually unpinned. And you can click on this view definitions right here in order to see the definition. So in here, you can see that the custom product is true or false and used in 3 products. So you can add it on more products if you want. So let's try to pin it. And this is what it looks like. So you can also change the content type right here, change the description, the access, the features, and as well as everything right here. So for me, I'll turn it on as use a filter in admin, as well as the storefront access right here, but this only has a read access. So in here, you can also just choose to put in here descriptions. You can edit it out however you want, and you can also edit out the name. So for example, you will name it men's t-shirt, and then you can just save it. So once you have saved it, the definition will be saved, and it can be used as yours in here. So when you're in here, you can now see that it has been pinned, and this is what it looks like on your actual Metafield product. So you now have added it on your actual product right here. Now when you try to search for this specific product, so let's try to search for it, and then mute tab, be able to see it right here. So when you can just scroll down, you can see that you will have your product soon if your actual Shopify store is search engine optimized. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.